subscribe. Welcome friends, let's sing along. From A to Z, come join the song.
A is for alligator, snappy and strong, swimming in the river all day long.
A is for bear, big and bold, roaming the forest, brave and cold.
B is for cat, soft and sweet, purring and playing with tiny feet. E is for dolphin, splashing so high, jumping in the waves, reaching the sky.
E is for elephant, stomping around with big floppy ears and a trumpet sound.
F is for fox, clever and quick, running through the woods, doing a trick.
G is for giraffe, so very tall, eating green leaves above us all.
H is for horse, galloping free, racing through fields so happily.
I is for iguana, climbing so high, basking in the sun, watching the sky.
Is for jaguar, sneaky and fast, running through the jungle, having a blast.
K is for kangaroo, hopping with glee,
Carrying a baby so happily. L is for lion, roaring with pride, the king of the jungle, standing wide.
N is for monkey, swinging so high,
Laughing and jumping, reaching the sky.
N is for nightingale, singing so bright,
A beautiful tune in the moonlight.
O is for octopus, waving hello,
Swimming and twirling, nice and slow.
P is for penguin, wobbling around,
Sliding on ice without a sound.
Q is for quail, tiny and sweet,
Hopping and chirping, quick on its feet.
U is for rabbit, bouncing so high,
Twitching its nose as it hops by.
S is for snake, slithering fast,
Through the grass, moving past.
E is for tiger, strong and bright,
Striped and fierce,
a wonderful sight.
U is for urchin, spiky and small, rolling around a sea ball.
U is for vulture, soaring so high,
Gliding and watching the world go by.
W is for whale, deep in the sea,
Singing a song so beautifully.
X is for X-ray.